Hello everyone and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, we will finish this beauty portal. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. But if you are ready, let's continue because on this part we will make hair shoes. We will start using red colored yarn, and on round 1 we will start with 4 chains, and in the second chain we will start to do repeating 2 times 2 single crochet and 1 triple increase. 1 single crochet, the second one. I recommend that you put some mark in the chain number 4 because here we will make the second triple increase later. Then now 1 triple increase, 3 single crochet together in the same base. 1, 2, and 3. And now we will repeat the same in the another side. At the same time you can secure this thread. 1, 2, and in the chain that I recommend put some mark, the second triple increase. And we already finished this round with 10 points. Put some mark if you think that is necessary, because we will work in a spiral, and on round 2 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 3 increase, 1 increase, 2 and 3. And now we will repeat the same one more time. We will finish this round with 16 points. On round 3 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 6 increase, 1 increase, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now we will repeat the same one more time. We will finish this round with 28 points. On round 4 we will make 28 single crochet, but this time taking the back loops only. Only the back loop. 1, 2, and I will continue doing single crochet taking the back loops only until finish this round. From round 5 to 8 we will make 28 single crochet, taking normally. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same until round 8. On round 9 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. After that 6 decrease, 1 decrease, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for the end 14 single crochet, 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until we are 14 and finish this round. We already finished with 22 points. On round 10 From round 10 to 12, we will make 22 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and repeating the same until round 12. And in the last single crochet on round 12, we will change to white colored yarn. Make the union with white colored yarn, and that's it. You can make the union or you can hide now with the next round. On round 13, we will make 22 single crochet again, but this time using white colored yarn. 1 single crochet, 2, and I will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. Round 14 and the last round, we will start with 1 chain, and in the next point taking the front loops only 1 slip stitch. That's it. 1 chain and 1 slip stitch, all time taking the front loops only. 1 chain, 1 slip stitch. I will continue repeating the same until finish this round. And when you finish this round, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for secure and hide it. Secure a little and hide this thread. And I'm already finished these shoes, and remember we need 2 shoes, 2 equal shoes. I'm already made both, and also I'm already put some details, a little bow, and I will show you now how to make this little bow using white color yarn or the color that you prefer. We will start with a magic rain and 3 chains. This is the first chain. 1, 2, and 3. Now 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. 3 chains again, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 slip stitch in the magic rain. And now we will repeat the same one more time, exactly the same. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 slip stitch on the magic rain. And now pay close attention, and you can see, leave a long yarn to make the center, and also I will show you how to make the union with the shoes. Both shoes are ready to put it on our doll, Amber, But first you need to make this. You need to prepare the shoes like this, and later will be easy to put it on this doll. And we already finished this amigurumi. I hope and you really like this project because I love it. And if it's like that, leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next amigurumi, bye bye.